Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. So today I've come up with another interesting recipe, and that too from red carrots again. It's a tasty and yummy red carrot pickle recipe. To all those who have not watched my previous recipe on red carrots, which is a healthy dessert for weight loss, I'll be sharing the link below. Please do watch and support. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So here I have 500 grams of red carrots which I've diced into 1-inch pieces. I've also cleaned and kept 200 grams of garlic. Next, let's prepare the spice powder mix. For that, I've taken 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds which I'm adding into a mixer grinder jar. Then 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. We'll grind this into a fine powder. Now to this I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, then 1/4 teaspoon of Hing or Asafoetida powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's start with the cooking process. I've taken a kadai. Into that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let them splutter. After spluttering, we'll be adding the diced carrots. Now stir fry these carrots till they turn tender. Instead of gingerly oil, you can also use mustard oil or sesame oil or even plain sunflower oil. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of salt. Saute it and then cover and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the carrots turn tender, that is 70% cooked. You do not want mushy carrots. After 10 minutes you can check whether the carrots are cooked or not by using a knife and then just slightly cutting them. So this is it, it's perfect. So we'll switch off the flame and remove the carrots onto a plate. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Now in the same kadai I've added 150 ml of gingerly oil. Into that I've added the cleaned garlic. Please be generous with the amount of oil that is being added while making your pickle, otherwise there are chances that your pickle will catch fungus even if you store them in the fridge. Once the garlic turns golden, add in the spice powder mix. Now you can switch off the flame at this point, otherwise the spices might burn. Then add 5 tablespoons of vinegar. This is a kind of preservative also for your pickle. To balance all the flavors, I have added 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is optional, you can also add jaggery instead of sugar. And finally we are adding the sauteed carrots. Now again switch on the flame and then continue cooking the carrots till the spices coat the carrots well. Taste your pickle and see, and at this point you can adjust the flavors. I've added 1 teaspoon of salt again. Stir this for about a minute, switch off the flame, allow the pickle to cool down and then store it in a clean and dry glass jar. I would suggest you to store it in the refrigerator. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.